I say the definition of insanity is trying to break a phone from last year, and then they send me the new one to try to break again this year. This is the new Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G. Now, Xiaomi claims this thing has Titan durability. So what's the catch? There must be a catch, right? That's what I'll be trying to find out here with everyday thing in my studio. A huge shout out to Xiaomi for sponsoring this showcase video. And the day starts like any other day with an alarm. And for any other phone, this is a doomsday scenario. But this is the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G. And in a battle against the floor, the phone here is not only pristine and has no issues, but if I actually look at the floor right there, you can actually see that there are marks on the floor, which means that this phone literally outdid the floor. That is insane. And since the phone is fine, I can resume that first hour of scrolling on social media, because is it only me or do you guys do the same as well? And it's still early days, but what I like about this phone is not only just how tough it is, but how premium it looks as well. Next up is hygiene, and you guys know that I'm a sweaty boy when I run. But even when I'm washing up, water gets everywhere. Now, normally using a touchscreen with wet hands is a nightmare. Ghost touches, unresponsive swipes. With Wet Touch 2.0, the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G's screen literally detects that there's water or sweat and adjusts the touch sensitivity instantly. Meaning I can now scroll, I can type, and pretty much do anything with the phone as if the water is not even there. And if you live in a humid country like Malaysia, or a place where you are getting your phone wet all the time, then this feature alone is a lifesaver. And I'm coming to my chair here. I am a creator, this is what I do, and most importantly, cameras mean a lot to me. And here on the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, we've got 200 megapixel cameras just like we had last year, but there are some few tricks that this phone here has learned. And to check it out, we're going to open the camera right here, and I've got my trusty little Spider-Man right there. And because of that 200 megapixel, we have the ability to be able to crop in, I would say, up to 4x there, and still have a really sharp photo right here. So that's one of the advantages of having that high megapixel count. And I'm not someone who just wants to tell you specs. This is real life results, which you can see with your own eyes. Now, one cool feature I want to show you is the AI reflection removal. We want to remove all of those reflections there. And on the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, it is very easy to do this. In the gallery app, all I have to do is just tap on edit there. Make sure you tap on the 3-dot icon, then manage plugins, and you want to download and install the remove reflection plugin and also the AI image expansion / AI erase pro plugin as well, which I suggest you download both of them. Now in this edit page, you want to scroll all the way down to create here, then tap on erase, and here you get all of these options to either remove objects, remove people, or in this case, remove reflections. Then just tap on start. And we're going to let the AI do its magic, and boom, it has removed some of the reflections. And of course, you can try this with your photos as well, as it works even much better there. And I'll tell you, I'm really excited to take even more photos outside of my studio on this phone right here. And kitchens might not be the most safest place for tech. And of course, as someone who is very conscious about my health, if I don't post about it on Instagram, is it even real? So I'm just gonna take a selfie real quick. And boy, is it getting a bit steamy around here. Now, with other phones, even though they have IP68 rating, now the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G goes a step further than that, where it has an IP69K. Now, that K stands for protection against high pressure and even high temperature water jets. So a little steam from my protein that I'm getting this afternoon means nothing to this phone right here. And if you spill some hot soup on it, it's probably going to be fine. Okay, I've worked enough and it's time for research. And by research, I mean gaming. Under the hood, we have the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultra, and it's a 4nm chip. And honestly, it rips. I'm getting solid frame rates here. Plus point that the phone isn't turning into a lava rock. But I'll tell you, the real MVP here is the battery, because it has a massive 6580 mAh silicon carbon battery. And while I've been using this all day for everything from the camera to browsing the web and now even gaming, it just refuses to die. And I think we've gone from the stage where it's no longer like a 2-day battery life, but maybe even a 3-day battery life right now. And according to Xiaomi, the battery health will stay above 80% even after 1600 cycles, which if we do the quick maths, it's like 4 to 5 years of daily charging, which is insane. So not only is the phone strong and durable, but also the battery life will be great for the long run. What? And it's been a long day. I am exhausted. I have dropped this phone. I have taken photos. I have taken videos, but it's still going. So if you're looking for a phone that you don't have to baby, something that gives you flagship durability, I'm not kidding, this is even better than some flagships. A killer 200 megapixel camera and battery life that will be good for many, many years to come, then you are definitely looking at the right phone here. And trust me, if it can survive me, it can survive you. Another big shout out to Xiaomi for sponsoring this video. And right now, if you check out the phone, there's actually a pre-order promo going on. So make sure you use the links below to go check them out. Outside of the fact that this is actually a paid video, I've been really impressed by just the overall package here. I'm not even going to cap here. And it's one that I will probably be getting for my own family members as well. All right, that's it. I've been your captain of awesome. This is Geekception. Thank you so much for making it all the way to the end here. Let me know what are some of your thoughts about this Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G. And until the next one, don't forget to text me when you get home so I know you got home safe. And I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to be awesome. Bye. And thank you for making it all the way to the end of the video. I really enjoyed putting this one together, especially because I had tried it last year and there are some moments I dropped the phone genuinely where I thought there is no way I must have broken this phone and I have to text Xiaomi and then apologize, but it's still fine, which is insane. So I'm glad that worked out well. Hope you're doing well. I'm also doing well. I'm still looking for my medications. Hopefully I can get it soon. But what are some of the things you're excited about? Let me know in the comments down there below and I'll catch you in the next one. All right, bye.